Hey everyone, and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about best insurances in Canada for pets. So these are going to be specifically dedicated to pet if you maybe have a dog or cat. So first you're going to be selecting in here. Let's just say it is going to be a dog and just name it anything. And let's just change the breed to maybe something golden retriever. And yeah, so we need to add a zip code and email address. Alright, so now we should be getting our price. So you can see basically we have multiple different options on the platform if you simply use this fetch pet insurance. And you can see the top 10 countries are spot, we have PHI direct, and these are all listed in here, so you can go ahead and try out which one is going to be working the best. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.